Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video only here on Telcult Guy. So, for today, we're going to talk about how you can see your subscribers on YouTube. Unfortunately, I don't have any subscribers, but I'm going to show you nonetheless. So, here on your profile icon, just drop down, go to YouTube Studio, and then here you have channel analytics. So, you see here current subscribers. Now, if you have any subscribers, it will appear here. And even though it's not current, there's an option there to view lifetime subscribers or subscribers for 1 week or something like that. Then you can see your subscribers. So very easy. Let's go back to the main menu so you can see that once again. Click your profile icon here, go to YouTube Studio, and then just go to current subscribers. Click it, or you can even go to channel analytics and an audience, and that's it. Hopefully, I was able to help you out on this. If I did, please do hit the like and subscribe button as we will be featuring more videos just like this one only here on Talk Guide.